Well, this video is a quick tutorial. I'll show you how to set up and do a circle when it comes to the DJI Mini 4K. And I will be using my Insta360, which is the camera I'm recording with right now. And on the floor here, I've got everything set up. The drone is charged, and also the remote is charged. So I'm gonna fly right now up in the air, find my target, do a circle, and then get back to you at the end of the video and enjoy the view, because I'll be flying the drone right now. I also will be recording from my screen on my phone, and of course the screen on the drone itself. Enjoy, guys. Talk soon. So I'm pretty much ready to go at this stage. All I will do here is press these two sticks back towards me and sort of in, and what it does is it starts the engine on the drone. And what I'll also do is I'll go out of here and record the screen like so I can show you. Record so I can show you a little bit more of what I am actually doing. I'm here. All right, so take off. Pretty much, as you know, the left stick, just push it away from you, and as you can see, the drone flies up. We updated the home point. So the building I'm trying to do a circle from is the building right in front of me, right there. That's the Eagle Stadium in Werribee. So first thing, I'm flying as high as I can to avoid all the birds. So I'm gonna get up to about 50 meters above me, and then once I get to about 50 meters, which is about there, about mid off at the moment, I'll push the right stick away from me, and this is gonna make the drone go forward towards the actually stadium. So as you can see, we are sort of getting there above it. Beautiful day today, blue skies. So while I'm there, I'm gonna sort of spin my drone this way. So I'm actually looking at in front of the stadium, and then I'll push my stick to the left here, and then it's gonna make the drone fly to the left. So now I am sort of in front of the drone, the stadium I should say. The drone is looking at the stadium and the camera anyway. And from that point here, I will lower my gimbal, which you do it by spinning this wheel. So lower my gimbal so I can look at the stadium. So that's the stadium, the entrance of the stadium there. So what I'll do now, I'll fly a bit further high or towards it, and actually back. I'm gonna fly back, so by pushing the right controller back towards me. So now I've got a better view of there, and a bit high as well, so I can see the top of that building. Beautiful. So a bit further back. So I think I am in a pretty good spot there, because I can see both the building from end to end. Maybe spin a little bit to see that corner as well, end to end. And I'm high enough, 60 meters. Go forward a bit maybe, and I can see a bit of the sky. So what I'll do at this stage, I'll go to my app and I'll go to click on this square, which tells you photo or video. I'm gonna go to video, but I'm actually not gonna go to video. I'm gonna go to quick shots. So quick shots, I click quick shots. It gives you a few options: drone, rocket, circle, helix, and boomerang. What we are looking for today is the circle. So I'll put on circle, go high a little bit more, and then now we have to draw a square of where the area where we wanna put the drone to record. So that's pretty much there, and I think this is a good sort of area to do a circle. I'll go and press
3,
start,
2,
and
1.
the drone is gonna start flying on its own. So as you can see, the drone is now flying automatically, and it's gonna go a circle around the stadium, which is the Werribee basketball stadium or Eagle Stadium, as you can see on the side there. the red button here with the X and the white X in the middle. If I decided to stop what I'm doing now, I can just press that and it'll stop the drone. The drone is gonna rover in the air, and then I can bring the drone back or do whatever other things that I want to do. If you look at under the red button X here, it's called a percentage. So it's telling me the percentage of the actually completion of the circle. So it's now at 22%, and it's going around and around the stadium, which is the Eagle Stadium. It's having a great view from the side. It allows me to see a bit of the sky, which is sort of blue there, and also the housing around it. So you sort of can see the whole lot, and also the back of it. So it says it's the back of the Eagle Stadium right there. So it's only at 40% now completion. So it's gonna give me a good view and good round view of the area. The car park, the extension of the car park, and things like that. So it's a great drone. I mean, it's a DJI Mini 4K. It's not the most expensive, it's not the cheapest, but also it is enough for what I like to do, for what I want to do. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial on how to do a circle on a quick shot when it comes to the drone DJI Mini 4K. It is a drone that I purchased not too long ago, and I'm having a lot of fun with. So I'm now on 70%, so I'm nearly all the way around. That's the car park there, and sort of houses around, the netball courts over there. So the drone is going on its own and doing a great job. Make sure you stay until the end of this video, because at the end of this video I'm gonna put the actually image coming from the drone itself on a video, so you can watch and see what it looks like. So I hope you are enjoying this. So I'm now on 89%. We're nearly complete the drone. That's the Werribee, it's very famous Werribee race course for the horses. A lot of international horses, when they come to Melbourne to compete in Melbourne Cup, they train on a particular race course. So this is now completed. So as you saw, what I'll do now, I will bring the drone back towards me and land it, return to home and land it. And once I've done that, then I'll come back to you and tell you what my last thoughts were. So let's just press this button here. As you can see, it gives you two options, land or return to home. You're gonna go to return to home, and it makes this sound while the drone is coming back. So what I don't want is to land it, because if I land it from where it is, it's just gonna come down and land it. And it's gonna be too far away from me, and somebody else is probably gonna pick it up. But what I've done is I'm bringing the drone back to me, and once the drone is back here with me, then I can land it. I can hear it now. It's sort of above me now, and once it's above me at about 80 meters, that's what the limitation that I put on. No higher than 80 meters. It's now landing. It's now descending. So the drone is now descending. I'll show you with my mini camera here. So the drone is out on top of me, and it's coming down, as you can see here. I'm not sure if you can see it yet, but it is out there. It's really hard to see gray on a cloudy day, but yeah, it is there, and I think you can sort of see it now because it's very close to me. So it's now coming down slowly but surely. And what I'll do now, I will cancel the return to home, because I want to land the drone where I want it to land. So what to do is stop here, you click on this button, it stops to return to home, and then I'll manually land the drone by pushing it forward and twisting it a little, twisting a bit more, pushing it forward again, so it lands on my landing pad just there. So a bit forward, a bit more, then back on this side, then I'll start sort of coming down. So once I see that it's on top of the pad, the landing pad, I'll then land it. So there you go. And what I'll do now, I'll go back to here and go press here and go land. Oop, press and hold for a bit longer.
Landing.
And now land, you say okay, and bang, it lands. Well, I hope you enjoyed a bit of this, tutorial on how to use the DJI Mini 4 and fly a quick shot, we call it, and the application was called Circle. As you saw on the previous images, you can have a boomerang, you can have a helix, you can have it doing a drone, and you can also have it doing a rocket. Now, if you are interested in knowing how to do a drone at 120 meters, make sure to hit me up on this video over here. And if you are interested to watch my latest video, hit me on this video on this side here. But most importantly, click on my face, which is gonna appear here. Click on the subscribe button and click on notification bell so you never miss my future videos. I'll see you very soon. Bye.